Your property manager wants to save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in preventable expenses. Here's how you can save money with smart home technology. Point Central has been adopted and recommended by your property manager because it protects your asset while attracting and retaining tenants. According to Business Wire, over 80% of Americans either own or opt for homes equipped with smart technology over comparable homes that are not. But just how much money can Point Central save you? What is your potential return on investment, ROI? When your property manager installs your smart home, your property immediately increases in value and you improve your chances of selling your home faster. A recent survey from T360 and Coldwell Banker states that 82% of brokers and agents believe smart home technology streamlines a sale. And according to a Zillow study, homes outfitted with smart technology sold for 0.5% more than homes without. For example, a $150,000 home would sell for at least $750 more with smart home technology installed. While $750 may seem like a relatively small amount, this ensures a 100% return on investment from the installation costs. Smart home technology is designed to help you sell higher and faster. There are many aspects of this system that can save you money during your investment period. Smart home technology increases the demand for your property, meaning fewer turnovers and shorter vacancies. With Point Central Smart Locks, your property manager can now conduct self-showings. Industry leaders have observed that self-showings can expedite a rental occupancy. We estimate that with smart home technology, your property will rent on average 3 days faster. For example, a $1,200 rental having just 2 turns in 5 years would increase occupancy a total of 6 days, increasing your rental income by $200. Smart locks also prevent rekeying, saving you hundreds over time. In just 5 years, you can save on average $200 in rekeying expenses. Unnecessary utility costs during vacancies can add up. With Point Central's Energy Star certified thermostat, your property will be set to an energy conservation mode each day, saving on average $100 per vacant month. If you have just 3 vacant months in 5 years, that's $300 in utility savings. With Point Central's thermostat data analytics and range controls, your property management company can proactively handle HVAC issues, saving you repair and replacement costs. Using a smart thermostat also reduces wear and tear on your HVAC system by reducing work output. The average air conditioning or furnace repair cost is $300. By preventing just 2 repairs during your rental period, that's $600 in savings. Adding all of this up, you can save a total of $1,100 in a 5-year rental period. And a smart home powered by Point Central can even help prevent the costliest damage of all, water damage. The average water damage insurance claim is $6,965. In rentals, these can happen all too often as washing machine supply hoses only last about 8 years and 75% of hot water heaters fail within their first 12 years. By catching water leaks at the onset, Point Central water sensors can save you thousands of dollars. With your estimated ROI of $1,100 plus the ability to prevent significant water damage costs, you can see why your property manager recommends Point Central to save you money and increase the value of your investment. Please contact your property manager for more information.